Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do polynomial long division. So this is the first thing. This is the first equation. So we have 4x plus 1 divided by x squared, 8x squared plus 6x plus 3 divided by 4x plus 1. So how you do this is you first take 4x and you divide it by 8x squared. So if you were to divide it, we would get 2x. And now we would multiply 2x by 4x, and we would get 8x squared. And we would multiply 2x by 1, and we would get plus 2x. And now we subtract 6x from we subtract 2x from 6x, and we get 4x. Because you have to switch this to a minus sign. And then we bring 3 down, we have 4x plus 3. So we do the same thing again. 4x divided by 4x plus 3 divided by 4x would equal to 1. Or 4x divided by 4x is 1. And then we'd multiply 4x times 1 and 1 times 1, which equals to 1. And then we subtract 1 from 3, and we get 2. And then 2 is our remainder. And to write our remainder, we would write 2 by 4x plus 1. And this is the answer. So let's do another one. So we have 34x minus 16 plus 15x squared over 5x minus 2. So first thing we would do is rewrite 34x minus 16 plus 15x squared to 15x squared plus 34x minus 16 divided by 5x minus 2. And then we would write it like this: 5x minus 2 and 5x squared plus 34x minus 16. So now I want to see if you can do this on your own. So to do this, it would be 5x divided by 15x squared, which would be 3x. And then we multiply 3x by 5x, and we get 15x squared. And we would multiply negative 2 by 3x, and we would get minus 6x. And now since you have to subtract negative 6 from 34, we have to change this to plus, and then we would get 40x minus 16. And then 5x divided by 40x is 8, so we write plus 8 over here, and plus 8, oh sorry, this is 16, and then plus 8 times 5x is 40x, and plus 8 times negative 2 is minus 16. And if we subtract this, this will change to plus, and then it would equal to 0, and we have a remainder of 0. So this would be our final answer. Now let's do a little trickier one. So we have 2a cubed plus 5 over a minus 3. So to rewrite this, we'd have to make it so it's 2a to the power of 3 and something a to the power of 2 and something a and then plus 5. So let's first make this so a minus 3 and 2a to the power of 3. So in between 2a to the power of 3 and plus 5, we would put 0 a squared plus 0a, because we're technically adding 0, which makes no difference. So now I want to see if you can solve this. Okay, so 2a to the power of 3 divided by a is 2a squared And if we multiply 2a squared by a, we get 2a to the power 3. And then if we were to multiply 2a squared times negative 3, we would get minus 6, 6a squared. And then if we subtract 6a squared, negative 6a squared to 0a squared, we would get plus 6a squared, which equals to 6a squared plus 0a. And then 6a squared divided by a is plus 6a. And then plus 6a times a is 6a squared. And then 6a times negative 3 is minus 18a. And then if we subtract it, it's plus. And then we would get 18a plus 5. And 18a divided by a is plus 18. And plus 18 times a is 18a. And plus 18 times negative 3 is minus 54. And if we subtract negative 54 from 5, we get 59. And 59 is our remainder. So we get 59 over a minus 3. And this is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this.